Part 1. Good morning. My name is Mark Peterson. What's your full name, please?
Good morning. My name is Harper Collins.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you, Harper. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions about responsibility. Are you a responsible person?
I try my best to be. I take my duties seriously and make sure I complete tasks on time.
What responsibilities do you have in your daily life?
I'm responsible for my studies, helping out at home, and sometimes taking care of my younger sibling.
Do you think responsibility increases with age?
Yes, definitely. As we grow older, we face more challenges, and people expect more from us.
How do you feel when someone gives you a big responsibility?
At first, I feel a little nervous, but I also feel trusted. It motivates me to do the task well.
Should children be given small responsibilities?
Yes, it helps them develop discipline, confidence, and a sense of independence from an early age.
Part 2. Thank you. Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for about 2 minutes. Your topic is describe a time when you took responsibility for something. You should say what the situation was, why you had to take responsibility, what you did, and explain how you felt afterward. 1 minute preparation pause. All right, Harper. Please begin when you're ready.
A time when I took responsibility for something important was when I had to look after my younger sister for 2 days while my parents were away due to an urgent family situation. It happened last year, and even though it sounds simple, it was a big responsibility for me because I had never taken care of everything on my own before. My parents had to travel unexpectedly, and there was no relative available to help, so they trusted me to handle things. I was nervous because I had school assignments, house chores, and I needed to make sure my sister, who was 10 at the time, stayed safe and comfortable. The first thing I did was make a small plan. I listed the tasks I needed to complete: meals, homework, cleaning, and bedtime routines. I made sure we both woke up early, ate healthy meals, and finished our schoolwork on time. I even prepared simple dishes like pasta and sandwiches, which she loved. I also tried to keep her entertained. We watched a movie together, played board games, and I helped her with her school assignments. At night, I made sure she brushed her teeth, changed into her pajamas, and went to bed on time. I kept checking on her to make sure she was comfortable because she sometimes gets scared when our parents are not home. Although it was tiring, I managed everything successfully. There were moments when I felt stressed, especially while balancing my own homework, but I reminded myself that my sister depended on me. When my parents returned, they were proud and thanked me for handling the situation so well. That moment made me feel mature and capable. I realized that responsibility teaches us a lot about patience, time management, and care. This experience had a big impact on me because it showed me that I could handle difficult situations independently. It also brought me closer to my sister and strengthened our bond.
Thank you, Harper. Part 3. Let's talk more about responsibility. Why is responsibility important in life?
It helps people become reliable, disciplined, and trustworthy. Without responsibility, life becomes disorganized.
Do people become more responsible after getting a job?
Yes, jobs require deadlines, teamwork, and commitment, which naturally increase responsibility.
Should schools teach responsibility?
Yes, through group work, class duties, and discipline, schools can help shape responsible behavior.
How do responsibilities differ for children and adults?
Children handle simple tasks, but adults deal with financial, professional, and family responsibilities.
Can too much responsibility be harmful?
Yes, carrying too many responsibilities can lead to stress and burnout. It's important to find balance.
Thank you, Harper. That's the end of your speaking test.
Thank you very much.